Install the RPA agent on Windows. Download the installer file based on your system's architecture. Then run the downloaded setup file and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Next, you'll be prompted to register your RPA agent. Just copy the installation key from your web browser and paste it into this UI to register the agent. Then give it an appropriate name and click Register. Now that your agent is successfully registered, you can switch back to the browser window to complete the setup. Just review the agent details and then click Done. And that's it. You've successfully created and registered your Windows RPA agent.